Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, rain sensing wipers. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.